Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and greatest tools in the digital world. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all you marketers and content creators out there. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only helps you create ads, but actually predicts which ones will perform best. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Today, we're talking about TriPencil.com, a game changer in the world of AI-driven ad creation. Stick around because this tool could completely transform the way you think about advertising. Alright, so what is TriPencil exactly? It's an AI-powered platform designed to help marketers and businesses create, test, and optimize ad creative specifically for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. What sets TriPencil apart from the competition is its AI-driven predictive modeling, which forecasts the performance of each ad variant before you even spend a single dollar on it. This website uses artificial intelligence to help you create eye-catching ad creatives in a fraction of the time. No more creative roadblocks. TriPencil offers a bunch of cool features. You can choose from various ad formats, input your brand details and target audience, and then the AI magic happens. It generates multiple ad variations based on your preferences, all within minutes. Plus, you can customize the designs further with their easy-to-use editing tools. It's essentially a massive collection of ad creatives crafted by users who fed their marketing goals into TriPencil's AI engine. The beauty of it is, you can filter these ads by industry, platform, and even ad format. So whether you're looking for a Facebook ad that converts or a TikTok video that goes viral, this library has got you covered. I've been exploring the library myself, and I'm impressed by the variety and quality of the ads. There are some truly creative and effective campaigns in here. It's like having a whole team of ad experts at your fingertips. One of the coolest things about the AI ads library is that it can help you understand what's working in your industry. By analyzing the top performing ads, you can identify trends and best practices. Generate ads appropriate for Google Ads placements, including multiple aspect ratios and multi-asset placements like PMax. All ads follow Google Ads best practices for layouts and text use. Stay on the right side of ad review. All ads are ready to be uploaded to Google Ads in minutes. Getting new ads into Google Ads is easy. Generate ads in all the major Instagram placements, portrait, landscape, or square at once. Use AI to combine your branding and products with UGC to create ads that feel at home on TikTok. Easily edit the things that matter for TikTok ads, standout text and contemporary video effects. Balance branding with an authentic channel native style that blends in with YouTube content. All ads follow YouTube best practices for layouts and text use. Use AI to generate copy, static and video ads that capture attention in the Amazon marketplace. Getting new ads into Amazon is easy. Use Pencil's chat function to breathe life into campaigns and assets from product shots to seasonal creatives. Get pixel-perfect shots in minutes using AI for editing and touch-ups. Generate complete, polished video and image ads for any platform. Make the most of your creative with ad variations for new audiences, markets, and campaigns. Spend less time on fiddly, time-consuming editing and more time on building creatives you can be proud of, from images to videos to animations. Get your ads approved by your team with easy public or private sharing links. Once you're good to go, launch your ads directly into your media channels or media library in one click. Make sure every ad is a winner with insights and strategies tailored to your brand, including predictions of ad performance. Ads built with Pencil are predicted to perform 2x better, a stat based on over $1 billion in ad spend. With real-time insights, you can see your hard working paying off. Protecting your brand's identity is a top priority. Your look and feel and tone of voice are protected using a bespoke brand library, comprehensive templating, and advanced animation language capture. Integration with the major media platforms including Meta, TikTok, Google, and Amazon means it's easy to get a campaign live. Start and finish your ads with Pencil. First things first, TriPencil offers a free trial. No credit card required. This is a great way to test the platform and see if it's a good fit for your needs. Once you're ready to commit, TriPencil offers a few different subscription plans. The exact details might have changed since my last check, so I recommend visiting their website for the most up-to-date information. Generally speaking, the plans are tiered based on features and usage limits. Ready to supercharge your ads? head over to trypencil.com and start your free trial today. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Ideaplex for more deep dives into the tools that can elevate your creative projects. See you in the next video.